Hi and welcome to another 3D printed video. Today we have 3D printed FLASHHIDER, a flash hider. This is for an airsoft muzzle for end of a gun. Airsoft gun. It's 3D printed in a silver gunmetal grey. It's quite shiny. Inside it has 3D printed some internal threads. Printed with no support. I printed this at 0.5 millimeter layer height. One of my subscribers found this on Thingiverse and sent me the file. Thank you for sending me the file. You know who you are. If you like these 3D printed short videos, please can you give a big thumbs up, and don't forget, if you haven't subscribed already, hit that red subscribe button down below, and to see future notifications of the videos, ring that bell, ding a ding a ding. Thanks for watching.